TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the S&Ps right now flat. You got the Dow Industrials up 87, Nasdaq's up 14. And what we had out here yesterday, folks, is that you had the went to higher highs, gave it up on price. Small caps were the weakest indice out there. You had a pop at the open. I expect what you're going to see is we're going to see some selling pressure inside those small caps all day long. If we go over to the Nadex platform, we take a look at it. What you're going to see inside the Russell 2000, that we just went from 1586 down to this 1576 level. What I do expect you're going to see is more pressure as we go out throughout the trading day. We take a look at the dollar and the euro. What we have with the dollar is this. The euro right now is trading at 122. That baby, actually on a longer term basis, folks, looks like it wants to run up to the 130 mark. Bottom line, dollar index broke its B point of September 8th, broke it with volume. We're going to take a look at the S&P 500. So the S&P 500 at the open just went from a price point of 27.94. We're at 27.83 right now. I expect that volume is going to pick up on the S&P. The selling's going to pick up. What we did overnight is this. S&P did a 0.786 retracement of the move lower yesterday. The small caps did a 0.382. S&P, that's strong. Small caps, not strong. Bottom line, I do expect the surprises today will be on the downside, which will be pretty shocking, actually. We go take a look at the NDX 100. NDX 100, we just went from a price point of 67.94 down to the 67.60. You can expect inside that NDX that there's going to be more selling pressure. And it's not going to take much, by the way, too, folks, to basically get into lower price. The reason being is that because we're so high so fast. Dow Industrials inside the Dow out here today. Your leaders are inside the Dow. We have Boeing putting a positive 47 points, IBM 26, United Health 25. Taken away from it. Goldman is the big number, and Goldman's the one to watch. They come out with their numbers. Numbers weren't there. Bottom line, Goldman's trading at 249.51. And if you remember, 250.55 is the number for Goldman. That is what Goldman topped out first, okay, when we go all the way back into the November of 2017. Bottom line, Goldman's more than likely going to be leading these banks lower. Right now, it's trading down $9.06. You stay right there, folks. Get some great program coming for you. I'm going to be coming up next. We get swim lessons. Basil Chapman, Dave White, Steve Rhodes. Have a great one, folks. Have a safe one.
Today, it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how Everbank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money a priority? Everbank is committed to a yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? Everbank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. Everbank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you, like it does me, call 1-855-750-4051 to find out what they can do for you. That's 1-855-750-4051. Call them today. Everbank is a member FDIC and equal housing lender.